Merry Christmas!
Let's try Kayla. Kayla, baka si Kayla 20. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, for raffle, part 1. Sit down, kids. We'll have a raffle time. Sit down, raffle time. How many items will you have?
Hi, Kai.
Okay. Okay, so this is our procedure for the raffle. This is the list of all the names who are here today and the numbers. So whoever will be chosen here, for example, the name is JM. JM will choose a number, and whatever that number is corresponds to the number here in the raffle gifts. Okay, so we're gonna have 5 people who will choose.
Five first.
Part 1. Okay. Who's the first lucky person who will give a raffle gift? Anu!
Hanu.
Wow, Hanu, Hanu.
Hanu.
Hanu. Okay, Hanu. I'll go. You have. Okay, I'll go there na lang. Hanu, you have to choose the number, and then. Ano ba? That's Hanu's prize.
Yeah, it's Hanu's prize.
It's Hanu's prize. Okay, Hanu. Wow, congratulations. Okay, you choose the number, and that will be your raffle prize. Number 25. 25.
Okay, let's look for number 25.
That's not the exchange gift yet. That's for the raffle. Usually the raffle prizes are worth 5 euros. Winner number 1. Karen, choose a number. Congratulations. What's the number? Number 51.
51.
Wow, naka 51 na yung gifts natin. Galing naman. Ang dami nating gifts.
This is just a random number.
A random number, I thought. Okay.
But I think we only have like
G.
Si Kuya G.
G, you choose a number, G. Huwag sana yung pinarampol natin.
We will change it. You put it back.
27.
Hanapin natin si 27. I don't know.
Wow.
Ang imo hati. Kaya ang imo ha.
Okay, thank you. The fourth winner of the raffle.
Magmuna tayo. Kailan can you pick
Kanila man ang
pick one?
Pick one. Okay. Who's the fourth winner? Cloyd.
Hanapin ng number 3. Parang yung number 3 galing sa kanila. Let's change it. Give me the number 3. This is from you. So we have to change. Give me the number 3.
Ay, ito, 18 kulay green. Ayan.
Medyo mabigat-bigat. House and lot ata.
Yes, ayan. Congrats. Hindi. Baka sa hindi
Good
to.
job.
Okay, congratulations.
Thank you.
Congrats. Ayan. So natatapos ang ating...
Okay, so that's the first part of our raffle. Mamaya ulit we have a raffle. Okay, next is, ready for the next game? Kaya ba? Hindi, 1, 2, 3. Daisy,
sige, 1 to 1 to muna sa part.
Joy and Kuya Mars. Parang ano to, asawa-asawa.
May baby.
Parang couple-couple.
May baby
Ah,
kasi.
may baby daw. Hindi. Sige, isa pa tayo, isa pa. Si Mona na lang at saka si Raymond. Mona and Raymond. Raymond, here. Okay. Siguro okay na to kasi wala na space. Ayan.
Mango float yata.
So, the mechanics of the game is like this. When I say head, you put your hands on your head. When I said shoulder, you put your hands on your shoulder, knees, toes. Okay? That's why we need some stretching. Okay, try out. Okay, try out. Head, shoulder, knees, toes, shoulder, knees. Yeah, that's the game, okay? But the twist is when I said cup, you should grab. Hey, are you ready? Ayan, dapat we have energy naman, di ba? So, okay. Head,
Pinsing.
shoulder, knee. Sorry.
Yana po niya yung ulo.
Okay, again. Head, knee. Okay, that's only trial. This is the final game. Parang magagaling yung ano, you know? Ano daw ako sa kabila.
Hello. Sabi ko kanina,
Okay.
ba't walang nanay to si
Are you ready?
Nang ano pa na nag-work.
They have presence of mind.
Mami yan.
Okay, head,
Habol.
shoulder, head, toes, knees,
Kami
cup.
nag-gabit. Umiwan ka
Okay,
sa
he's the one who grabbed the cup. Please, Rita.
dito lang.
Pang-action na niyan.
Pang vlog.
Put the cup.
Out ka na.
Hindi ko tapinit kung tama. Mabilis. Dapat pinilisan mo rin.
Okay, are you ready? When I say okay, head, shoulder, knees, toes, shoulder, head, knees, shoulder. No. Sorry.
Out yung ano.
Okay, head, shoulder, knees, toes, shoulder, head, shoulder, cup. Bilis ah. Okay. Are you ready? Yay. Okay. Ready? Shoulder, head, toes, knees, shoulder, head, cup. Okay, boots versus boots. Are you ready? Hey na lang daw. Okay, head, shoulder, knees, shoulder, head, nose. No, I'm just trying if you are like listening to me. Okay, head, shoulder, knees, toes, knees, shoulder, head. Ay, ito ba yun? Sabi ko dalawa. Yes.
Para laki ng premyo ah.
Okay, here's the ano. Here's the thing. You shouldn't bend when it's head. You shouldn't bend. Okay? Yeah, it should be straight. So it's only you have to bend when I said it's toes. Okay? Because you're doing this toes. Okay, ready? Head, shoulder, knees, toes, shoulder, head, toes, head, shoulder, knees, cup! Mahaba yung kamay. Okay.
Okay, next.
Santa Claus is coming to town.
Oh, please sing, group. Ready, go.
You better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town.
Very good. Okay, palakpakan. O, last na.
Sino na? Yung points, sister.
Ito. Ako, this might be very hard. Very good. O, next na natin, Tita Lori is, paraffle again.
Ah, sige.
Ana.
Ano ba ito na bunot ko? Kung hindi si Praise, hindi si Lori. Dahil committee, dapat extended mo ng committee.
Nagkakutsilyo lang.
Yung committee. Sa kanila na yung lahat. Charot.
Okay, next is... Next, kuya dyan, ako si Lori.
Ibigay na lang natin yun.
Nero!
Nero! Ayun na si Nero.
Ay, Nero. Parang
Okay.
Matrix Neo. Okay. You choose the number...
33.
33!
Ikaw, Nero.
Wow.
33. Where are you, 33? Parang ayaw mo pakita.
Dito ka, Nero, kasi you have to accept the gift and have picture taking kasi once in a lifetime na nanalo ka ng raffle. Eh, ganon. Yes.
33.
Wow.
Wow.
Ayan, mga picture, ayan. Oh, next! Joy! Wow, Joy! Nanalo ka. Okay, next, exchange gift time for kids.
Okay. Okay, get your gifts.
Ha?
Get your
May
gift
donut.
now. William, get your gift. That's not your gift. Ay, tayo, wait, tinapon pa.
Okay.
Your gift is here.
All the kids' gifts are here, behind me.
Banana ko'y 15 pieces. Pero
Okay,
kung 15 pieces
kids,
itlog.
get your gift.
You're going to give it to someone.
Okay, where's your gift?
Then you come here. Once you got your gift, you come here. Dito muna kayo. Dito front. Dito front. Okay.
Line up here, line up here, line up. Line up.
Here, JM. You hold your gifts. Okay na? Okay. Okay, what's the rule, Tita Loris? JM, stay here.
Okay, here is the mechanics of our exchange gift. Okay, I want you to put all your gifts on the floor in a circle. In a circle. Make a circle. Here, here. Oh, make a circle.
Oh, sige lang. JM, dito ka, oh. Here, baby, here.
Okay.
GM, put your gift here. GM.
JM, put your gift here. Come on. Okay, stand in the front of your gift.
Stand in the front of your gift.
Where is your gift? Stand in the front of your gift. Stand.
Stand here, GM. GM, stand here. GM. Stand. Here. GM, here.
Sama na si Mami. Oh. Ikaw na. Okay. So I'm going to play a music. And if I stop, that will be your gift, okay? But you have to face backwards. Backwards. Yeah, backwards so you won't see. Okay. Maestro.
Are they going to move or?
Yeah, they will go round the circle. Around the circle.
Backwards pa rin talaga?
Kuya, wala ba tayong tugtog dito na medyo ano?
Ay, sa ano ba? Baka matumbas sila.
Ha? Slowly lang, slowly.
Come here. Ikot, ikot.
Palaki? Palaki.
Ay, ano ba yung trial? Tissue po. Ay, ito. Parang ito sa panda. Ito.
Okay. So that will be your gift in front of you.
Yay!
What will you say?
Get the gift.
Get the gift. Get the gift now. Get your gift.
That's not the one. It's for you. This is one for you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Very good. Ay,
Happy birthday.
ayaw nga pala.
Happy birthday to you. Isa pa. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Make a wish and blow.
Yay! Happy birthday!
Picture, may kumuha ba ng picture?
Video la, video la.
Okay.
Happy birthday!
You the dessert.
Ano wish mo? Secret?
Secret eh. Wish ko, makatulog ng mahaba.
Happy birthday!
Tama kuya.
Kanya kasi 25 pa lang siya. Naka-stack na siya sa 25.
Ako nga 80.
Buti hindi pababa eh.
Nagnaruto na po.
Alright, ready? 30 seconds only. How many? Ho, 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 ho. Ready? 1. Harap dito, baby. 1, 2, 3, go! 30. Ayan. Masus lang naman yun ang Santa Claus. Oh. Okay, next. Who's next?
Giniginaw lang yun.
Oh, si Christopher 40, ha? Who can beat Christopher? Should be so clear as a Santa Claus. You're like Santa Claus. Okay, Camila Blas. Okay. Okay, be your Santa Claus now. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Very good! Okay. Next, ate. Kuya. Ay, naku, si Christopher. Ate, dali. Ready? 1, 2, be your Santa Claus. 1, 2, 3, go!
Kenzo, dance!
Uh-oh! Let's check. Who is not dancing and not breathing? You should not breathe. If I can see... Ay, very good. Go again! Ay, very good. All of them! Oh, you have a prize again! Good luck to your sugar level! Because of the candies! Okay!
Dance na lang din. Ganahan mo siya. Nag-dance ikaw?
August. Nandito na. September. September. G, you have to press 2 na. Okay. Sige. September. Right. Are you ready? In front of you are your gifts. Now we're gonna, so this is how we're gonna do our exchange gift. You know the song, Pasko na naman, except for you guys. But just remember, Pasko is Christmas. So, we will play that song, and every time the word Pasko, ngayon ay Pasko, tayo ay mag-awitan. Pasko! Pasko! Pasko na namang muli, tanging araw na ating pinakamimithi. Pasko! Pasko! Pasko na namang muli, ang pag-ibig naghahari. Okay, go back that. Okay, now with music na. Okay? So now live na to, live na with all the ano na. So make sure, go back to your original position. Now with the music na. Be ready guys. So you know the drill. It should be the end of the song talaga, ha? Oo, imagine, this is fast. Oh my gosh, good luck to us. This is so fast. Okay, I hope no one gets hurt. Make space talaga. Make space po talaga. Okay. Ready? Oh my gosh. Wait. Make sure that it has space kasi imagine like, for example, this is Pasko. Pasko. Like, I can't imagine how you move, okay? So, make space talaga. Alright. But go to the, in front of the gift, ha? Not just move. Okay, are you ready? Exercise and everything, okay? And then if you're the front of you doesn't move like, pak! Move! Yeah, okay? Sorry. Already? End of the song talaga.
Okay.
Paskong nagdaan, tila ba kung kailanman? Ngayon ay Pasko, dapat pasalamatan. Ngayon ay Pasko, tayo ay magkawitan. Ready? Pasko! Pasko! Pasko na namang muli. Ang araw na ating pinakamimiti. Pasko! Pasko! Pasko na namang muli. Ang pag-ibig naghahari. Oh, Pasko naman to! Duli ng araw, Paskong nagdaan, tila ba kung kailan lang. Ngayon ay Pasko, dapat pasalamatan. Ngayon ay Pasko, ready, go! Pasko, Pasko, Pasko na naman muli. Tanging araw na ating pinakamimiti. Pasko, Pasko, Pasko na naman muli. Ang pag-ibig naghahari. Okay, this is our gifts. Thank you, everyone. Now it's time to open. Open. Ay, wait. Hold muna ang walang gift so that we would know why doesn't have the gift. Who doesn't have a gift? Who doesn't have the gift? Okay, so that's yours, sir. And this one is yours. Yan, ibigay. Oo, pass. Okay, pass the gift. No, that's not my gift. This is your gift. This is my gift. Okay, pass the gift. Okay, everybody has a gift now? Wait. Karen, pa-selfie naman ng may ganon. Okay, who's the tallest among the tallest? Ayan, maybe the camera and then like so. Ano mabilis? Oh, show them the gift. Ba't nandito pa? Hintay ka lang. Ready?
Masyado ka naman. Gusto kayo ito.
0.5 mo na? 0.5 daw. 0.5.
Okay.
Wait, Janil!
Ito? Pwede mo pala tanggal. Tabo na natin, tabo na. Okay. 1, 2. Okay, pataas yung gift. Pataas yung gift.
Open!
muna.
Oh, mapakong.
Christmas party for Filipino and friends and family. Isaiah 7:14 says, "Therefore the Lord himself will give you a sign. Behold, the virgin shall conceive and bear a son and shall call his name Emmanuel." Very familiar story, right? Because you've been hearing and seeing on YouTube or movies about a baby was born in a manger. We don't know the exact date, but it's the fact that he was born in this world. And the purpose is really to save humanity from our sinful life. So if this simple message can you bring it home with you and somehow think about, oh, there's someone bigger than me and I need help. Not taller than you, okay? Or not more healthier than you. That in that point, maybe it is still. I don't know. It's just there. Emmanuel. It says he is with us. So whenever you're lonely after this Christmas party, alone in the house, crying, you miss your family, you miss us. I hope you miss us. And just think about Emmanuel. That's the only word you need to remember. Emmanuel. God with us. You are, in other words, you are not alone. Okay. Never alone. He is always with you. So whenever you're driving, you're lonely. That's the only word you need to remember. Emmanuel. Let's say Emmanuel. So when you're lonely, Emmanuel. God is with us. God is with you. Okay, let's pray. Thank you for this Christmas party. We thank you for the food, for the nice dessert, and the gifts, and the fun and joy in our games, and also most especially is the friendship, the laughter, the talks, the union.
Let's have a picture taking, group picture taking here. So yes, group picture taking, and after picture taking, kindly remove your dirty dishes and put it there in the trash bag. Yes, the trash bag.
Recording na po. Okay. Compress, okay. Let's say Merry Christmas in 1. Let's say Merry Christmas in 1, 2, go. Okay. Okay. And one in 3 counts. Let's say happy holidays. Okay. Let's say happy holidays in 1, 2, 3.
See you next year.
Thank you. Hi, kailan?
Osmo to na tayo. Ako na ako.
So gusto po mag-karaoke?
Nag-vlog eh. Or...